Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial video, and today I am going to be showing you how to check your CPU utilization in Windows 11 using the Task Manager. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to open up the Task Manager. Now there's multiple ways to do it. The first way is by clicking the Start menu and just typing in Task Manager, or the more efficient way, which is going down to your taskbar, right-clicking and clicking on the Task Manager button, which will open up the Task Manager, which you can do full screen, and go over to Performance, and here you can select CPU, memory, disk, Ethernet, and your GPU. And you can see all sorts of things like the 3D usage, the video encoder usage, the dedicated GPU memory, and the shared GPU memory. So yeah, that is about it. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Peace.